Here's the washing machine, which is called Rosenlew, something like that, and the model is RT1055, 5.5 kilograms. You can rotate that one and LEDs come on. It looks like that. Okay, let's turn it off. These are push buttons, and to open it you have to lift up that one. It's opening that. It has Finnish and Swedish instructions, I guess. It looks like that on the inside. Some text on the front, different irons and this washing machine. So this is not opening from the front, but is opening on the top, and this thing is also opening on the top. And to open it, it has two sides and a button. And the button is pushing in this portion and it's releasing that one. And it's going to slam like that. So hold it once again. So it has a spring, nothing there to stop it. First close the lower one, the one which has the button. It has to go past that one. It also pushes down the button and then it closes. So by pushing the button you are pushing down this portion and it's releasing it. So that's how to open this portion. On the inside there it has a filter, I think. I pushed it to the left. By the way, that is below. As you can see, it's rotating and that thing stays there. I'm not sure how to remove it from here. This is also spring loaded, almost. If you close it, you can rotate this all around. That's the filter, or it's not the filter. The filter, I think, is below. And here's the opening once again. This will not stay. It falls down. Yes, I found it. So I had to press that in. And that's the filter. It's not clogged. It's not clean either. So I cleaned it a little bit with my hand under the flowing water. You need a brush to clean it better, but it's not clogged. By the way, you put the detergent here on the right side, something else there and something else there. You can remove this portion like so. Water is inserted somewhere here through those jets. This, that, maybe that one also. And it's sprayed this way, I guess, and that way through these openings. Push that button to the left and lift it up. Now, I'm not sure which way, maybe it doesn't matter, I'm not sure. I just pushed it down. I closed it. Now this should go down and that should go there. This is the water. Judging by the color, it should be cold water. I guess it's also heating the water, because not all of them are heating. This is the cold water. Yes, it's blue. Here's the power. Power and cold water is here. So let's just try it. I don't have any detergent right now, but let's put this in. Let's put it to the t-shirt. That is reducing it. Let's lower it to 700. That's for spinning, getting out the water from the cloth. I don't understand too much. Water is doing something. Releasing the water. That's the fresh water, that's the output, I guess. Now it's entering the water. Different sound. Another sound. I think now it's washing it. By the way, can you open it while it's working? No, you cannot. So, since it doesn't have a display, I have no clue how many minutes I have to wait. No information anywhere. So that's a pause button, that means pause, I think. Now it's paused, it's flashing. Still can't open it. Continue. That's the washing, that's the spinning, and that's the end. So currently it's washing. 10 and 52, so I started at, let's say, 50. Now it's evacuating the dirty water. High speed. It's not spinning yet. Clean water once again. So that's probably a pressure relief valve. Now it should spin. But fresh water is heard once again. 11 and 52. Clean water once again here. Now it's really spinning it at that on the center. It's pretty well balanced, it's not moving too much. Spinning started at, let's say, 30. And after just a minute it slows down. With the door open, it's starting once again. And it's at the end, the third one, Loppu, finish. The door did not open by itself. Now it's opening and it's not in the desired position. We have some water. Okay, that had some solution in it, now it's empty. And there's my single piece of cloth. It is kind of dry, I mean it's not dripping. Spinning worked pretty well. Manual drying. And that's it. If I would have added something there, it would have been better. Let it dry out a little bit. And even without any detergent, this looks much better. It got brown from a lake. I went swimming, but it's cleaner, much cleaner. I see something there. It's not perfect without detergent. So that's the Rosenlew washing machine. Thanks for watching, bye bye. Finished at around, let's say, 35, around 2 hours. Using this program with the t-shirt. It was an automatic process. The machine took its own water, the machine eliminated its own water, the machine spinned by itself. I didn't have to do anything. I just set it to the t-shirt and it finished in around 2 hours. Don't forget this safety feature. Close that water tap so water will not flow from here to there. Off and on.